My name is Carmine. I'm the owner of Carmine's Import Service in Kernersville, North Carolina. We are a foreign automotive specialist, but we do other vehicles as well. Dealing with Autoshop solutions, it took me a while to make the switch. I was getting quote unquote comfortable with who I was, and you're afraid to make the change. But when we made the change, we saw the change. When Autoshop Solutions took over, things ramped up fairly quickly, and our organic listings just jumped through the roof. I mean, the numbers went up like crazy. So we rank at the top for almost every specialty that we do, and even rank at the top for non-specialty stuff that I didn't even ask to be ranked for. The parking lot has never ever been this full. I would rate them the best marketing and web company that we've ever had, and we've been through 4 or 5 of them, and I believe we're here to stay.